Now I would like to introduce the new keynote speaker. It is Mr. LouisTaylor, the Chief Executive from UK Export Finance. Stay with us.
Good morning, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much indeed for inviting me to speak to you all today. I'm really grateful to the British Serbian Chamber of Commerce for arranging this excellent event. Thanks to its position in the heart of southeastern Europe, Serbia is often described as a gateway between Western Europe and the Middle East. With the Danube running past Belgrade and pan-European highways connecting it to Greece, Turkey and Austria, it is still a vital link on the continent's trading corridors. With a population of 7 million, Serbia is the largest and most prosperous economy in the West Balkans, serving as a regional hub and springboard for companies to access the larger regional market. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a global decline in exports, and trade between the UK and Serbia has been no exception. Last year saw an 8.5% drop in trade in goods and services between our two countries, but this is only a temporary blip in an otherwise strong story of trading growth. Before the pandemic, UK-Serbia trade had doubled over the previous 5 years, and once the pandemic has receded, I do not doubt that trade will continue to grow. Thanks to strong fiscal discipline before the pandemic, Serbia is in a solid position to bounce back stronger and make the much-needed investments vital to its future prosperity. And in December 2019, the Serbian government announced the new national investment plan that will see $13.5 billion invested in its infrastructure by 2025, focusing on road, rail, air and water upgrades. The UK has world-leading expertise in infrastructure, and my department, UK Export Finance, is committed to helping overseas buyers access our companies at competitive financing rates. For those of you unaware, UK Export Finance is the UK's export credit agency with a mandate to ensure that no viable UK export should fail for lack of finance or insurance. And while historically we have not done huge volumes of business in Serbia, we are becoming increasingly active both there and in the region. We have over £500 million committed in southeastern Europe and are keen to expand further. And we have over £3.5 billion available to finance projects in Serbia, and particularly keen on those which have clean growth potential. We are currently working on a few major infrastructure projects in Serbia, including in road and rail. As an example of what we can do, earlier this year we financed a £1.7 billion deal to build 2 new monorail lines through central Cairo. This record transaction for UKEF will see the rolling stock made in England and significantly alleviate pollution and congestion in Egypt's capital city. We're also building roads in Benin, airports in Ghana and communications satellites for Turkey, all projects that now benefit from UK expertise and attractive commercial terms. But not all our projects are huge. Smaller projects are certainly interesting to us. We're financing smaller scale water purification projects using solar-powered pumps in Ghana and Uganda, solar power projects in Spain, and hospitals in Zambia, Angola, Ghana and Oman. We can offer our support in US dollars, sterling, euros or even the Serbian dinar. Local currency financing can reduce credit risk and can be particularly suitable for projects that do not generate revenue in foreign currency, such as domestic transportation and utilities. As you can see, our offer for Serbia and southeastern Europe is strong, but we can only act if you get in touch with us. Identify your key projects and talk to us as early as possible so we can develop an efficient and effective financing plan to make things happen. Contact details will be provided by today's organisers, but you can also Google UKEF and reach us that way. If we've learned anything from the last 12 months, it is that we can achieve a great deal and transform lives even in the face of adversity. By partnering together, we can pool our ambition and seize the opportunity that the future will bring. I look forward to UKEF being able to support important projects in Serbia that will help build the infrastructure needed for the country to deliver its full potential and the potential of its talented population. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of this event.
Thank you very much, Mr. Taylor, and thank you for all provided information regarding the UK export finance.